Ladies, this one's for you, Devoted. It's happening, it's coming soon. Literally, it's round the corner. But don't forget, you can still get your tickets for this amazing day event that we're going to have for all the women of Excel Church and your friends. Bring your sisters, your mothers, your friends. It's going to be great. So grab your tickets before it's too late. The money course is going to be happening on 2 Tuesdays, Tuesday the 27th of September and Tuesday the 4th of October. So if you'd like to get some practical ways that you can help manage your money well and think about that emotional relationship we have with our money and the practicalities of managing budgets well, then come along for the money course. It's going to be happening both sessions here at Excel Church at 7 p.m. So sign up online if you'd like to come for those sessions.
Now death has been defeated. And victory's mine. Come Jesus, like a fire in the night. You are exploding.
Don't forget, this week on Wednesday at 7:30 is our AGM meeting. So if you're a partner here at Excel Church, then come along for that and there'll be some refreshments as well. That's all for Excel News. Ladies, I'll see you on Saturday for our Devoted. Have a great week, guys.